It's a marathon time.
I have a medicine on my face so that I am not showing camera. So it's only Ira. And I am the camera girl only. So
I just removed my
to
tooth yesterday. Oh,
show them. Wait. I'm gonna zoom it. That's. Can you see it? Oh, I can see it.
and they have a small teeth going on. And so what's the topic for today? France!
What?
What's the topic for today?
The topic for today is we're going to our filming room
And
because I am doing a
so
handstand.
France is going to show her face.
No! Wait a minute, I'm just going to tell my mom.
So now we're in our filming room, and
I'm going to show you my face with the medicine. Seriously, I don't want to show you guys. That's la. That's it. La. I don't know what it's called, but I don't know. But this is the medicine that I've used. Caladril.
in Philippines it's called bungang araw.
Yeah, bungang araw.
In Philippines, and I
Yeah.
don't know what's the English.
So, film me, I'm going to do a handstand on the bed. Wait. Can you please pause it for a minute?
Hello. So France doing a handstand. She's jumping on the bed and doing a handstand.
I'm jumping in the bed. Oh. I'm dizzy. Hey, film yourself, not only me.
So guys, we have one page on Instagram. Follow us. Samara Rahaton.
Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter. Like our page.
This page.
Like our page on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube.
Yeah.
So talk to friends.
Talk to friends.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is gonna lose? Oh yeah.
I'm going to
Sandra's not here because he is playing basketball always
record.
in the phase 2 in court.
No, they're not.
Phase 2.
Phase 2. Not in phase 3.
They are competition for kids basketball, and Sander is
I'm going to throw this.
the boom. I think France is bored,
Yeah.
and she has a medicine in her face. By the way, what's the topic for now?
Sleep.
I have a question. Why did you have it's called in Philippines bungang araw?
What?
Because I know
So heat.
so hot right now in the
It's so
Philippines.
hot in the Philippines. Oh my goodness. Oh good. Ira, can you please pause it?
Action, na-play ko na.
So we're going to start. We're going to school at June 2 because our enrollment said my schoolmates told me that
The enrollment is
on May 19 and
2014.
4. And then, yeah, but I am not going to enroll. My mom said she's not going to enroll me at May 19 because they how do I say this? There are so many people at May 19, so she's going to enroll me at May 20 or 21.
Push, 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 push.
Can you put me right here?
I think she is so bored. Look at.
Hey, come over here. Film me while I'm busy. Hello. Hey, don't film it. Please.
Okay. So, so look, I have a small tip.
So follow me at
Instagram.
in Instagram.
Follow me.
My username is friendsbalbeha.
Mine is Ira_Platon and Ira_Villamil_Platon. Boom.
Mine is Franz FRANZ
Actually,
and
follow to the Crazy Visitor. I am MJ Platon.
no, don't follow him.
Oh yeah, she's crazy. He's crazy.
And I can't show you my face because I'm ugly. And you know that. And if you have a Twitter, follow me on Friends Balbeja. The spelling of Balbeja is BALBEJA and the spelling of Franz is FRANZ. So Franz Balbeja. Yeah, that's it. And Ira?
Ira_Joey02. Take care.
So, and follow us on Twitter, Samarahaton. I think that's only one. That's it. Samarahaton.
And also like our page in Facebook. Samarahaton too.
Always.
So, we got a new 3 subscribers. We
What?
got 8 subscribers now.
What?
Before we got 5 subscribers. And now we got 3 new subscribers.
Who? Let's see.
So
Come here.
So, fans,
Don't forget
subscribe us.
to subscribe, follow us on Twitter, and bye YouTube.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow, YouTube.